Looks like this might be the end of the girls. Hey, wait! What's that sound? Oh, yes! The radiated candy deep inside the bowels of the Gangrene Gang is about to be digested, if you know what I mean.
Oh, man. What is going on?
Oh, I gotta find a bathroom. Oh, we'll be right with you, girls.
Have an idea?
All this roaring is making me hungry. Oh boy, food!
Walden is buying some jelly bean soup, cheese wazzle burgers, marshmallow lasagna, doodleberry pie. Wow, I'm getting hungry.
Any land out there?
Nope. Just waves and seagulls. Ah, wait! I think I hear a whale!
That was my tummy. I'm getting hungry.
When the sun goes down, are you ready? If you hear a sound, don't be worried and don't be scared. You'll be okay if you're prepared.
I hope no one hears my stomach growling.
Because I don't.